This is my current favorite SOS free, that's salt, oil, and sugar free salad dressing recipe, and it is the easiest and best in the whole world. Trust me, give it a try. You have no excuse to not love your salads once you've tried this. So let me show you how I make it. Welcome to the chaos. It is my kitchen during the week. Lately, I've been prepping 3 to 4 days worth of salad at a time so I can grab it from the fridge, throw the dressing on, toss it, and eat it within 1 minute. Talk about fast food. So here's the salad I made a few weeks ago. So I store my huge pre-chopped salad in a covered container like this and just grab and go daily. Doing this has dramatically decreased the amount of time it takes to prep my salads, and it only takes about 30 minutes to prep anyways, so if I have already pre-washed my lettuce. So I take an even huger bowl, put all of my salad in, drizzle on the tahini, and if you get the good kind, it will be pourable like this. I like to get the 365 brand, the organic one from Whole Foods, or there's one called Artisana. That's a raw organic brand. The Whole Foods one is roasted, and then there's the Trader Joe's brand too. I really like that one. Those ones are all pourable, so I love those three the most. And then I drizzle a delicious vinegar on. So I'm showing some of Dr. Furman's wild blueberry, but I always add another kind if I'm using his too, because I like the more sweet syrupy kinds. The sugar content is high for sure, but I rarely eat dates or tons of sweet fruit anymore, so I'm not concerned with the sugar content of my salad vinegar. This one is a yummy limoncello vinegar I got from our local oil and vinegar shop, but I also love to order from California Balsamics, places like that. I love lemon flavored myself, and so I keep a large variety at home though, so I never get bored, so I have lots of different ones I can mix it up with. Pour the tahini vinegar mix and pour into a large 2-quart serving bowl. This is my favorite Corral bowl. The links to everything are all below, and then I'm done. That's it. Please note that I don't measure anything. I put enough until I love the taste of the salad. And if I don't overdo it on other high-calorie foods during the day, I never worry about the quantity that I use on my salad dressing. Seriously, if everything is prepped ahead of time, it takes me 1 minute to make a daily salad. You can't get any faster or healthier than that. And this dressing is so easy to take on the go too. You have no excuse to not have a healthy salad at a restaurant either. Just get 2 leak-proof containers, store it in your purse, or just bring it with you. Order tons of salad on the menu, minus all the standard American diet stuff like croutons or cheese, and you're in business. You can even add a pile of steamed veggie sides, etc., to really up the nutrition of that salad that you might get at a restaurant. And you can get more bulk too, so you don't feel super hungry when you dine out with friends. So I promise, if you try this dressing, it's just so easy and quick. You'll love it, and you'll rarely have to make your own. You can also really up the flavor with some nutritional yeast, as I'm showing too, but that's totally optional. It gives it a little bit more salty, kind of cheesy, savory flavor. Usually I just use the nut or seed sauce and the vinegar. And if you're thinking you want variety, what I do, so you can change up the vinegar, but what I do is every couple of weeks, I just blend up some walnuts or pistachios or whatever kind of nut and seed that I want with water and use that in place of the tahini. And now you've really got the easiest, healthiest dressings. No more excuses. So let me know down below in the comments, what is your favorite healthy, nutritarian, go-to salad dressing? And now just a couple quick things. I'm going to be launching my very own The Watering Mouth podcast really soon, so be on the lookout for that, okay? And if you want to pick up a free 9-day Eat to Live challenge, please do so. Free awesome recipes, grocery list, meal plans, all this wonderful Eat to Live food, and I've done all the thinking for you, so you don't have to think of a thing. You got to check it out. Just get it on my homepage at thewateringmouth.com. See you in the next video. Hope you like this one. Let us know down below what your favorite salad dressing is. Talk to you soon. Bye.